Hey y'all, I am back and I have a hair tutorial to share with you guys today. I did a half up, half down look. This hair is from a company called RECOOL and I have an Indian deep wave, 20, 22, 24 and a 20-inch frontal. And I am just starting on wet hair because it's a lot more manageable to work with. And I'm going to add in some of the Miss Jessie's Coily Custard just so the curls can really pop for this style. And no, ladies, your eyes are not playing tricks on you. This hair is blue black. That is one of my favorite colors to do. So I have a tutorial already on how I color my hair. So I'm just going to link that down in the description below. But I'm going to start by going ahead and sectioning off the part that's going to be in the updo. And I'm just taking a rat tail comb, handy dandy rat tail comb, and I'm making a part on the side. And I'm kind of using my eyebrow arch as a guide as to where I want that part to be, and I'm just gonna keep working with that until I've perfected it. And just moving on to the other side now, again using my eyebrow arch as a guide, and that's gonna help you to make sure both sides are even. And then I'm just gonna gather all of that hair and start pulling it forward. Now I'm not gonna just use the hair that's located in the frontal because it just would not be enough hair. So you're gonna see me going back and forth, working with the part and then pulling it forward, checking the back to see how much of the hair that's in the regular bundles that I want to include in the updo. I hope that makes sense. So once I feel like I have enough hair, I'm just gonna start smoothing it at the roots because it is curly hair, so it's gonna take some time for you to gather it and smooth it out, but just be patient and keep working and just smooth the hair out, girl. It's gonna come together. Trust the process. Now I know you girls see me combing the hair forward, and that's only because I don't want to comb it backwards and have my frontal start lifting because this is like 6-day-old hair. I've been wearing this hair for almost a week, and you know, this is just one of those, okay, it's almost time for me to redo my hair, let me put it up in an updo style. So that's why I was combing it forward like that, to try and smooth it out. But I'm just going to use my hands to go ahead and continue smoothing out the hair and gathering it into the ponytail. And yeah, it's kind of self-explanatory. And at this point I'm just kind of using a hard brush. Don't mind the little white pieces, y'all. I got it stuck in some cotton balls, but it's gonna serve the purpose today. So I'm just using that to further smooth out my ponytail. And then I'm gonna take my Got To Be Glued Blast Freezing Spray. Y'all, I love this spray. This is going to make sure you don't have any flyaways, and it's going to hold your hair in place all day. So if you don't have this product, I would highly recommend it. And I'm just kind of brushing the product throughout the hair, and I'm trying to move fast because once that spray dries, you don't want to manipulate the hair too much further because it's just going to be difficult and it's going to cause a white residue. So now I'm just moving on and putting the hair into a ponytail. And take your time with this. You may have to do it a couple of times because it's just something about putting bundles and weave into a ponytail. It just gets lumpy and it starts looking like Frankenstein or something. I don't know. But once you finally get it into your ponytail, I'm just making sure, you know, everything is all good. And I'm just pulling it up to the top of my head and I'm teasing it because I want the ponytail to be a little bit higher. Now I'm going to tell y'all where I went wrong with this. Well, not necessarily wrong, I just kind of didn't have the time. If you are going to tease your hair, it's best to do it on dry hair because it just looks better. My hair is still kind of wet, so it's not holding the way I would like it to, but like I said, I'm in a rush, so it's just gonna have to do for now. And I'm just kind of spraying some of that freezing spray on it to hold it in place. All right, y'all, it's edges time. Y'all see I got the Got To Be Glued gel in the yellow tube, and then I got my handy dandy toothbrush, and I'm just going to work that product onto my edges. And the reason why I chose to use the Got to Be Glued is because, like I said, this is 6-day-old hair, so using that Got to Be Glued is going to help lay some of those some of the pieces of the frontal that has like kind of lifted up, and that's just gonna kind of lay it down again to make this style hold. And y'all, I'm not even gonna lie, I'll probably wear this style for a few days, so I'm trying to make sure it holds. So that's why you see me spraying some more of the blast freezing spray on it, just to make sure it holds. And just work those baby hair, girls, smooth it out, do your little loops. And normally I wouldn't even do baby hairs if I was like wearing it down, but since this is an updo, it's gonna look a lot cuter. I think it serves the hairstyle very, very well. Okay, y'all, I am done. I know the light is very, very harsh, so it's hitting all the white particles in that gel, so it's making it look white, but I promise you in person, it looks absolutely flawless. But this is the finished look, you guys. I am obsessed with this hair. I don't have any issues with tangling. I don't have any issues with shedding. It's just perfect. Like, the curl is perfect. I think it fits me so well, so I would highly recommend you guys checking out RECOOL Hair. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I'm gonna see you guys in my next one. Make sure you thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much. Mwah.